Hi there. This tutorial will show you how to use the import and export functionality in Acouso. This feature allows you to transfer project data between models, making it easy to share acoustic setups with colleagues or reuse work across projects. To begin, open the Import/Export tab in the Acouso main window. To import a project package, click Browse in the Import/Load section. Here you can select any .acousoroom file from your computer. So select this one and then click Import. When an import is performed, Acouso will first create a backup of your current project data, and then the imported package will override the existing project workspace. If you ever need to revert to the previous saved state, you can locate the backup files within your local app data folder. These backups are stored under Acouso-ROOM/project data/backups. From there, you can simply import the backup file to restore your previous project data. To export your current project data, go to the Export/Save section. Click Browse to choose a location where the project will be saved. We're happy with this location, so we will click Save. Then click Export. Acouso will generate a .acousoroom file containing the current project workspace. This export also includes materials and standards data, ensuring that any custom configurations are included. This allows your colleagues or clients to import the package into their own project environment without needing to recreate those settings. And that's how you can use the import and export functionality to easily share and transfer acoustic project data in Acouso.